guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, I'm Mile John and karibu sana. And in case it's your first time to come across this channel, kindly subscribe. So guys, I'm in the village. I'm still in the village. It's your village girl, advanced village girl, and I'm here in the village, in an African village, guys, here in Kenya. So yeah guys, so it's raining here in the village. It's raining, and it's raining cats and dogs. If you're an African, you know what I mean, like cats and dogs, because it's raining. It started at night and it's like 9:30 a.m. in the morning and it's still raining. Let me show you how it looks like here, because guys, and the way we had a lot to do today. I don't know, we have to wait for the rain to stop because we need to do a lot of things outside. And let me show you first how it looks like here, guys. So guys, as you can see, actually the rain is just stopping to rain. Look here, it was raining quite so hard. So yeah guys, we want to make this compound look like home. So I'm going to take you along. I don't know, let the rain stop, then I will take you along, guys, because it's like the rain is starting again. Look at this, guys. So guys, the rain just stopped and we want to make this place look like home. So we want to clear all these bushes here. This is supposed to be a compound. You see these flowers and here. Okay, so we want to clear all these bushes here, all these leaves. I don't know whether it will be possible now with this water and everything. So this is supposed to be a compound this side. You see, it will be a very nice compound here. And okay, let me take you the other side. You see the fence up to that part, it is supposed to be a compound. Yeah, so the other side is the shamba, you know, and then again this side, that side, and this side of the kitchen. And this is for the chicken, guys, the one my brother was creating here. Look at how it looks. It is not yet done, but it looks amazing. Okay, they're still continuing to build the house. So yeah, so this place looks like this. And this other side, we wanted to make it a compound, guys. We are supposed to clear this part out as well. And we want to make this road here. You know, this is land, so we want to make our entrance here, a gate on this side. That's why my mom is cutting those leaves. We are supposed to make an entrance up. The road is on the other side, so this is supposed to be our main entrance, guys. So this is why we are cutting off this grass, and we are going to cut off this one here. Yeah, this will be our main road. So let's get started. And yeah, we make this home look like something, you see. So guys, we are almost done, but we are coming to dig out these now for us to create a good entrance. So this will be our entrance, guys. We just cleared the rubbish which was here, and we need to cut here. There is a borehole which we are about to, I don't know how we'll do about it, but it's supposed to be fenced. Yeah, we were digging a borehole here, so I don't know what will happen, but we need to clear here. Maybe it will be fenced somehow or something, so but we are going to remove this here for the firewood. We are going to place it somewhere else. So So guys, I'm done cleaning our compound, and I want to show you how it looks like after this. Yeah guys, so it was a lot of work, but we have managed to finish with all the rains and all. So let me show you guys how it looks like here. So guys, I was supposed to clean this area. This is our backyard. Look at this guys, and these flowers here. So I was cleaning here, and we have another flower here, and so many. So mom told me that this will be a land, it's a land actually, so no need of that cleaning, and she'll plant some maize again. Actually it's planting season. So guys, this is how this side looks like. Tell me what you think guys. Don't mind the things on the hanging line. So guys, it's just and they're still continuing to build our house. So yeah guys, so this is how it looks like guys. Tell me what you think about how do you go about it. For me, I love cleaning, like seriously, especially now we have a nice compound. There was a time we used to share compound with my dad's first wife and second wife. So I feel amazing when I come here and we do this in our own compound. It was a good thing that we have this place. So yeah guys, tell me what you think. So yeah guys, that's it for our this video. I'm going to end it up here because I'm going somewhere. And so yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me how you do it at your village, at home, or how you go about it. So yeah guys, comment below and tell me what you think about the outcome of this compound. So let me know guys. So until my next video, bye.